Last night we stayed in a hotel called the Northwest Inn, and it's a very beautiful hotel. We are thankful to this guy for his great hospitality. Dhanyawaad.
Okay, thank you so much for being here and stay with us. So hope to see you again next time and have a nice journey ahead.
Thank you. Dhanyawaad.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
We are in a local restaurant nearby Gurkha Lodge, and my friend is having
Indian breakfast.
called aloo paratha for the first time, and he's super happy.
It is so good.
Yeah.
So good, so spicy good. I like it.
I'm glad you liked it. Enjoy your food, man.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. And the restaurant name is Hungry Bite. We are right now at Dhanyawaad Park, and we met this cute kid. What's your name?
My name is Aishna Sunat.
And your?
Aishna. I'm Ella Sunat.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We are going to hike to the World Peace Pagoda and Pumdikor Shiva statue. We are right now at Suspension Bridge. How are you feeling, man?
Feeling really great. Children are playing around.
Yeah.
They are laughing. Oh, I feel so good here on this old bridge.
Wow.
It's roasty and
Yeah.
but it feels kind of natural for
Yeah.
being here.
Thank
Like it.
you. Yeah. I'm also enjoying your company. Thank you for visiting, man, Nepal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
love it.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Having you. Yeah.
thank you for guiding me.
Okay, thank
You're
you.
the best guide.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yeah. And look at this woman. She's carrying the basket, and it's called doko.
Doko.
Yeah. A message from Himalayan Children Hostel. Have a nice day to you as well. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. We were hiking to the World Peace Pagoda, and we are at a very local restaurant. It's basically a shop, but they also serve us tea and food. And we met this beautiful lama. Namaste.
नमस्ते
नमस्ते. हाम्रो सरकारले के गर्नु पर्यो?
हाम्रो सरकारले के गर्छ र खै के पनि गर्यो छैन पहिला त राजा थियो र राजालाई खबर पाउने बित्तिकै राजाले इलाम लगाइदिन्थ्यो खाना दिन्थ्यो विदेशबाट विदेशी राजासित ल्याएर गरिब गुरुवालाई खाना दिन्थ्यो अहिले त छैन जो मर्यो मर्यो धनी धनीको काम बन्छ हामी गरिबको काम बन्दैन
We are very thankful to their great hospitality. They are from Gurung ethnic group, and they are super kind. Okay. Okay, राम्ररी बस्नु. Bye bye.
बाई बाई
Bye bye.
बाई बाई धन्यवाद छ यति बोल्दैमा
From this point, our hiking starts, and there is a very kind foreigner from the Switzerland. Are you tired?
No, I'm just getting excited for this amazing small hike through the forest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hope you will enjoy.
I'm
Okay. And we can see the Durga temple in the middle of the jungle. It's so peaceful here. Namaste. These are the Nepalese of we go to the jungles and hunt or take fire routes. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I need to change my clothes. I'm wearing tight pants and sweater. I need to remove that. Here we saw the chest and the beehives. And now we will rest for 1 minute. It's almost halfway to the World Peace Pagoda. We are waiting here at the resting point to go to the pagoda, and we met this cool guy. Namaste.
Namaste.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Bimal Thapa. I'm from this valley. I'm local. I'm local of this valley.
Okay, nice to meet you, man.
Okay, nice to meet you.
It was really nice talking to you. You seem super handsome and interesting, man. Okay, Dhanyawaad, bro, and take care.
Okay, thank you.
This small zoo of the tree is like a duck. We are out of the Queen's Forest, the Rani Bani Nepali, and we can see Nepal's second largest lake. It's called Pheva Lake, and the whole Pokhara city. Pokhara is the Nepal's second largest city after Kathmandu Valley.
When I have friend coming,
And we met a cyclist, and he speaks Nepali as well. Namaste.
Namaste, bhai.
Where are you
Sansei.
from? Sansei.
Mero desh, France. Ho.
Oh my god, I love France. Where in France?
I near Lyon.
Lyon. Okay, my friend Dorothy is a tour guide in Lyon.
But not Lyon. On the in small village in the Alp mountain.
Okay.
You know Mont Blanc?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah. Okay, so you are 70 years old, and
Yeah.
how long have you been cycling?
Exactly 69.
69. Okay. How long have you been cycling?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Okay. So it's very nice to meet you.
Yeah, also.
Thank you, and enjoy your time in
Yeah.
Nepal.
Good luck for you. Have a nice time.
Thank you.